Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am doing a quick hair tutorial for you. One of my favorite looks that I do all the time. It's super simple. Anyone can do it with the right products and tools. So if you want to see how I do this look right here, then just keep on watching. I have to put this disclaimer out there that I did not come up with this method. I actually learned how to do my hair this way from Michelle Money and the MMandLShow. I'll put them down below. They are fabulous girls. Michelle is one of my friends and I love her dearly. And she did a tutorial on this years ago and I've been doing it ever since. So this is not the Heather method. This is totally her method. I'm just sharing the love with y'all. Okay, so first things first, you take your hair down. Okay, and my hair is dirty. I haven't washed it in probably 3 or 4 days, honestly. So I guess you should take a brush to it. And the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray dry shampoo. I love the Batiste dry shampoo and the topical one. Topical one. Nurse term. I'm tropical. It's tropical. Smells good. I like it because it has a white cast. A lot of people don't like that, but since I'm blonde, it kind of freshens up my roots, which my roots look tragic right now, but it smells good. It looks good. So I'm not gonna brush it out. See how it gives me that white right there? I'm gonna let it sit and then I'll deal with it later. So just ignore the white dandruff look. Okay? Kind of section my hair off. I should probably use a clip or something, but I don't usually. Just use my rubber band and I just tie up this top section with a ponytail holder, like in a bun. Use a clip, it doesn't matter. Just basically to get part down this wand right here or something similar. This is the Nume Reverse Wand. I love it. Like I said, I've used it for years, ever since Michelle talked about it. So let me show you how fast it is. So I just take sections. I take all different sizes, big sections, small sections, and all. So you always want to go away from your face when you do this. So and then you leave a big piece down like this. And then I'll let it out and you're like, oh, awesome. Curly Sue, that's the look I was going for. Just trust me on this, okay? That's one piece. And then I just do this throughout my whole head. Not really caring if the sizes and sections are all the same. I really, truly don't. I don't want it to look super put together. I want it to look messy. I want it to look grungy. I want it to look like I didn't try so hard. And I really didn't, because this is so fast. I'll do this, and honestly, I don't love it day one. Again, you're going away from your face. Sorry, I didn't explain that. Away from your face. You never really want to go towards your face. You want the curls to go away from your face. And another tip is to hold the wand down. Not like this. I'm gonna hold it down. Day one, I don't love it. Probably day 2 and day 3, I love it the most. Because the curls have fallen out. And it just looks more effortless. So then what I do is I just spray this whole bottom section. Just spray it. Just like that. And then I probably should take like 3 sections, you know, like I should probably do this section and the top, but honestly, I just don't. Like, this is a quick hairdo. I'm just gonna do it the way I do it. I'm gonna show y'all the way I do it. Okay, I don't do these front pieces until the very end. These are the very last pieces that get done. Okay, so I just grab a piece in the back and wait for my face, pointed down. Do, 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 do. Oh, hey. So curly. That's okay. That's how I want it right now. Another section. It's super rainy today. And cloudy. I'm like by my window. I had a hard time finding a good spot to do this. So I started this video 6 minutes and 40 seconds ago, and I'm almost done. Well, maybe not almost, but close. I probably hold the curling iron on my each curl like at least 10 seconds, I would say. See, there's this little piece, there's this little guy. And you can see, so this piece I started way down here. Some I go all the way up higher. It's not the same. Let's do this one. Okay. Did I hear that thunder? The thing that you have to be careful though when you're not being so careful like me is to check the back of your head with a mirror and make sure you curled all the pieces. Now I'm getting closer to the front. Okay, so I'm just gonna spray all this. Did I even show you all this? I like the Tresemme Extra Hold because it holds really well. It's a good hairspray. I've used it forever. In a drugstore, so it's cheap. Okay, now I'm doing this side of my head. Same thing, leaving this little tail out. Okay, then I'm gonna take these front pieces. These are probably the most important ones. You have to leave a little tail out, and I don't like to go too high up. Okay, and that's almost a little too curly for me, but it'll fall. Dang, it is pouring. Sometimes I just slide it up and down like this too. Okay, so right now it is super curly, but see, I want a piece up here. I want a little bit curly up here. So I'm gonna redo this one. Okay, So right now, I think I got most pieces. Normally I'd check in the mirror, but since I'm just doing it for y'all, I don't care. And I'm going to spray it all. And I'm just gonna kind of spray it underneath, away from my face, and I'm gonna spray in the back. Ow. Okay, so now as you can see, it is, see the bottom, see the ends? This is what the ends will look like when you leave them all out, which I like. So it's like curl, 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 and it's like straight here at the bottom, which I feel like kind of makes it like edgy and raw, and I just really like it. So let me see. See? Going up. Okay. So then what I usually do is I take my Triple Sec. I love this stuff. It's a texturizer. Oh, you can't really see. Here you go. And I'll spray it. Usually I'll just take it underneath. And then, because I have really fine hair naturally. I have a lot of it, but it's really fine. And then what I do is I flip my head over and I spray it underneath like that. Okay, and then if I'm not going anywhere for a while, I leave the curls alone. And I'll just pull my hair up in a ponytail or a top knot, and I'll leave it alone. I won't brush it out or anything. So but like if it's time to leave my house and I'm ready to go, I don't want it to look this curly. So I usually will run my hands through it, or a brush even, just to kind of make it look not so curly, but the curls will fall throughout the day and days if you don't brush your hair every day, which I highly recommend. Okay, so then I take, this is a teaser comb. I got it at Sally's a while back, nothing fancy, but it has these little bristles right here. And I'm from Texas, so you know, the bigger your hair, the closer you are to God. We like big hair, so I tease it. The closer you are to heaven. Is that what it is? The closer you are to heaven, which is what I want to be close to. Okay, so I just tease it a little bit there. That's pretty much it. So then I'll just kind of take more hairspray and just kind of push it up like that. And I spray some right there so the hair will stay away from my face. And now my hair has grit, it has texture. And it looks, I don't know what it looks like, but it's just a different look. It's a fun look, and I like it. I do it all the time. Goodbye.